Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change LED light mode on your speaker Baseus VO20. And basically you have a few options how to make it. The first one is to use a gesture and the second one an application. So let me show you first one. If you have disabled it, we should enable it, so press and hold on this light button. Here we go, and now to change it just press one time at this button. So press on it and now it change again and again. And the second option is to go to the application and then ambient light. And right here we have all modes, so just choose the best one for you, just click on it. So this one is default mode, the second one is a smart mode, and the last one is a custom one. So choose the best one for you, and now you can close it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!